As many of you may know, Georgia is 5th in terms of incarceration of individuals in our state. And one of the things that judges can do on our bench is to make some decisions and judgments as to, does someone really need to be incarcerated, or are there other ways to address underlying issues of mental health and substance abuse? It was an eye-opener to me when 10 years ago I started with the Georgia Association of Black Women Attorneys actually going to visit the prisons as part of a program to help incarcerated mothers learn about their family rights and responsibilities. Because I do family law work, I had not been into the prisons as part of my practice, but went as part of service, and it was an eye-opener to me because I did find out that a lot of the issues that people face have to deal with underlying issues of mental health, domestic violence, and substance abuse. And so for those individuals who do need to be in the penal system, we need to have that option, but for those individuals who have other issues of domestic violence, of mental health or substance abuse, we need to address those issues, and we need judges that have the ability to make those sorts of sensitive decisions and do what's best for our community as a whole, and not look at each case on a case-by-case basis and make those difficult decisions. And I've had the opportunity to do that as a family law judge, and would welcome the opportunity to do that as a full-time Superior Court judge, handling both your criminal cases, your family cases, and your civil cases. I am the only candidate in my race with prior judicial experience that has had an opportunity to sit and make those decisions, and I'm happy that attorneys who appeared before me, like Shelley, like Muriel, and like Debbie here, have come out to support my candidacy. I started my legal career at Kilpatrick and Stockton, one of the largest law firms in the city, so I have the good foundation and legal training that that type of firm provides. I have criminal trial experience, having served as a Fulton County Solicitor General, and for the past 10 years I've run my own business and served the families of Fulton County as a family law attorney. I'm working on divorce, adoption, child custody, and child support cases. I would be very proud and honored to serve you as a full-time Superior Court judge. And so on November 2nd, or before then, when you go to the polls, I ask for your vote for me for Karlise Yvette Grier. Do any of you have questions?
I'd just like to make a comment. I met Karlise through my friend Peggy Ross, her teacher. Peggy Ross, I think, is one of the best teachers that was at Douglas High School. And when she puts her mark on someone, it's not to be thought of as being likely. You really have to know Peggy to know that. And she said, you know, Carolyn, she said that we need to support Karlise. I said, well, was she a good student? She said she not only a good student, she had character and she cared about everybody. She said it's important to make A's, but it's more important to care about people. And that's what when she said that, because I'm a people person, and I care about people and I care about children, and I said, well, I'm on board. She sold me.